Hello everybody. I hope you are all doing good. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Sehaj Jeevan. Sehaj in Hindi means simple and Jeevan means life. So I would be talking about various ways and means in this YouTube channel about how we can simplify our already complicated lives and we can be more at peace with ourselves, and how we can reduce, we can reuse things, and we can recycle, upcycle them and reduce the burden on our planet Earth. In this very video I'll talk about how I reuse my old saris. As you all can see here, this is a silk sari which has got whirly prints on it. What I have done is I have removed the borders from both the edges. It is a 6 meter sari, so what I have got is total of 12 meters of the blue colored border, and I use this border to uh, upcycle one of a very old blankets given by my father to me around 27 years back when I was not yet even married. And wherever he and I would often go, we would buy things to preserve for my marriage. What I have done is the already stitched satin border of this blanket was all torn and I was thinking of discarding it. But since this has got an emotional attachment with the blanket, so I planned that I would re-stitch the border of the blanket with my sari border and give it to my son, who's now 19 years old. Here you all can see that I have secured the silk border here on the edges of the blanket with the running stitch. This is the running stitch which I have done with the thick white thread, and this is the right side of the blanket, dark blue. This is the other side, and here in this very edge I have done the hemming and I have removed the running stitch to give this a very neat look. And this I am planning to gift to my son as a kind of memoir from his grandfather. And since he is a student of engineering and he has to travel a lot, and in India travel by trains is, no doubt it's comfortable, they give us blankets while we travel, but somehow I feel that if he carries his own blanket, it would be quite hygienic for him. So this is what I have done with my old sari, and the rest of the material which is still left, I plan to do some other projects which I'll be showing in my next videos. Thank you all for watching.